everyone, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. Hi, I'm Unalouisa, a creative journaling and lifestyle creator. So, if you're into journaling, travel, and living creatively, you're absolutely in the right place. Feel free to subscribe and join our growing little creative corner right here. For today's video, I'm sharing my January digital journal setup, and my theme for the year is called Opening Scene. I chose this because January feels like the first frame of a film, the introduction to the story we're about to live, and this setup also sets the tone for the kind of themes that you'll be seeing throughout the year. I started everything in my Procreate app where I imported my rough sketches from GoodNotes and refined them into smoother, more cohesive illustrations. For my cover page, I created a cinema-inspired collage featuring a New York-style theater entrance, a film titled Plaque, and a moody vintage lamppost. Together, they create that nostalgic cinematic atmosphere I wanted for this month. And also, don't worry if you don't use any or have a Procreate app. I'll also be showing you guys ways that you can build beautiful spreads using only the free tools and built-in apps in GoodNotes. So visually, I was inspired by old cinema architecture, especially how much it leans towards Art Deco. Structured, detailed, and full of character. While my sketch isn't a direct recreation of that style, I'm still really happy with how it translated into my own visual language. And as for the plaque, originally drifted from my initial idea and started to look more like a pinboard. But I'm just gonna go with it, and actually I am considering redesigning it into a movie poster instead. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about that in the comments. You might also notice that I recently updated my app, so I'm still experimenting with the new brushes. I'm genuinely sad that they removed the studio pen, but for now I'm using Leafy Leafy pen as my main brush while I adjust. Next to it is the lamppost. Yes, it was very much intentional since, as I mentioned earlier, that I really wanted that moody old school cinema vibe. And many movie scenes place theaters on corner streets with a single light guiding you home after a late showing. It actually felt symbolic, atmospheric, and perfect for the tone. It also gave me a chance to play with lighting, which really adds so much depth with digital illustrations. Filled the plaque with the days of the month, and later on I'll be adding more finishing details in my GoodNotes app after exporting everything else. I designed the interior of a cinema. The idea here is that each day becomes part of the movie of the month, where I can later add doodles, memories, or photos. I then shaded the seats from lighter to darker red to create depth and perspective. I'll also be keeping the calendar itself white so it will feel like it's the screen of the movie theater. helps everything feel immersive, like you're really sitting inside the theater. Now for our final spread that I made on my Procreate app, this represents the closing act, not the end, because that feels too final for a monthly spread. Instead, I wanted the visual of curtains slowly closing while the audience still asking for more. But of course, that updated idea actually came after I filmed this part, so you'll see the full execution of that concept more clearly in my February setup, where I'll also be sharing how this monthly spread evolved. Once everything is exported, we can now transfer back to our GoodNotes app. So as I mentioned earlier, I also wanted to show you guys how I create spreads using only what the app provides. For this page, I created a spread for movies and series that I'm looking forward this year, adding visual elements like film rolls, popcorns, and tickets to keep the storytelling cohesive. I also used the red highlighter tool to structure the layout and added clear titles to finish off the page. And of course, naturally, if we're tracking movies, we might as well track music releases too. So for the next spread, I reused the layout from my previous spread for the albums and song titles. Then I paired it with a collage of CDs and cassette tapes. The slightly chaotic composition felt intentional to me, a little messy, nostalgic, and very citycore in the best way. And that completes our setup. And honestly, I had so much fun creating this. So if you decide to recreate this theme, please do tag me on Instagram, TikTok, or wherever you share your socials. I genuinely love to see and reshare your work. Now for our flip through, starting off with my cover page, I added few more elements here and there, like for example the title of the month, and also I highlighted important dates with a red highlighter in the calendar. I also added this two people dancing. I was thinking of a black and white design, but I really love how her red dress makes this page pop even more. Then for the calendar page, I just added the curtains behind the calendar since it felt like it was missing something there. So, yeah, that's everything that I adjusted or updated in this spread from my Procreate app. Next to it is the movies and series spread that we just created. I added this black and white character that I also got online. I also listed the movies and series that I'm tuning in for. So far, this is all I have, but if you have any suggestions, please do let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so as you can see, I'm more of a movie buff than music. For music, I really don't have that much of a preference. I basically just listen to everything and anything. So, yeah, if you have any music recommendation, please do let me know in the comment section below. And that's a wrap for our January setup. I apologize, it took a little while to get this setup to you guys, but I hope the spread still inspires you, and feel free to use this and tag me in whatever socials that you want. Anyways, thank you so much for sticking around until the end. As always, leave a little sparkle in whatever you do. Virtual hugs and kisses. Una na ako.